Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have Oscar's 1965 Mustang where we're going to install a brand new Alden American coilover system on it. We're going to install the rear shocks on it, and then we're also going to throw on the front coilover suspension kit from Alden, and we're going to take you through the whole process of installing this. So come along and enjoy the movie.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed the install on Oscar's Mustang, then don't forget to leave a comment down below. And if you guys want to grab an Alden American coilover kit yourself, you can go down below to the link in the description down below, and you can go grab yourself a brand new suspension kit for your own ride.